start sharing options. So now you can able to view my screen clearly now. Now you can able to view my screen now clearly.
No. Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the workstation now. I am power on my virtual machine now. So now the Sinan user will come now. We just have how many user? We just have only one user right now, that is called a Sinan user now. So slowly we'll try to add up the group, and based upon the group we will try to add 4 or 5 users and try to assign those users and see whether that user get into that like a department. Okay, so we'll see that one practically. Okay, so let's just system get started now. This Linux box. Okay, enterprise Linux server is getting started now. Let's just get started. Okay, so this video is getting recorded now, right?
Mhm.
Yes, it is getting recorded. Okay, so this server is getting started. Once it gets started, we will log in. So in order to create the group also, similar way, we have to log in as a root. Okay, we cannot able to create any group in a normal user. Okay, like how we are creating a users in the root, right?
Yes.
Similarly, we have to create a group in the super user only. We cannot create the group in the Sinan user or any user. So let's just go here and go to the root here. Okay, ROT root. Okay, and EDHAT Red Hat. Okay, so far we have only one user now, right? And now I'm trying to create a group now. One second, let's just get close now. Okay, one second. This super user. Okay, let's just desktop will come. This little bit slow here right now. Okay, it is getting open. Let's just open the my terminal here. Open the terminal page. Okay, so now su space dash command, and then I have another root now, completely on the root, not on the desktop. So now I'm trying to create a group, group add. What I'm adding now here, for example, sales department. Group add what? Sales. Again, I'm adding one more group, group add HR. One more group. I will add 5 groups. Okay, group add, for example, developer. One more group. Okay, group add one more group. I'm adding as admin. Okay, last group I will group add one more group. I'm adding, for example, like a finance department. Okay, I'm just putting a DPT, finance department. Okay, I have added all these groups, but where do I have to go and see whether these groups got created or not? These groups are created on cat slash. Once again, I'm typing a command because we saw the users, right? How we can
Yes.
able to see the users? Similarly, scat space slash etc space slash group. What here? Group. So what exactly is happening? Okay, there is like a Sinan user is sitting here, but we are having a group name called sales. We are having a group name called HR. We are having a developer. We are having admin. But this sales doesn't have any kind of users available here, right? They
Yes.
should show right here. Okay, sales have this user available. So now let's just create one small users now. Okay, when I simply type here like this etc password, for example, if I type cat slash etc slash password, cat, one second, cat space slash etc slash passwd, one second. PSSWD. Once I type here, I can able to see only Sinan user, but Sinan user is not belonging to any department, right?
Mhm.
Are you guys getting now?
Yeah.
Sinan, are you there, Sinan?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now what I'm trying to do here, let's just add some users. Okay. User add, for example, Akhir. I'm adding one user Akhir. Okay. One more user I'm adding. I'm adding one more user Atif. I am adding 5 users. I will add 5 users. Okay. User. Okay. User add. For example, I will add one more user. For example, Akhib is there. Atif is one more user. Call, for example, any other name we can tell. Okay, Aman. Okay, Aman. One more user, for example. Okay, 5 users I will add. I will assign those 5 users. Okay. User add. For example, one more user call Talal, for example. one more user add. For example, see, user I'm adding, okay, 5 user I'm adding, one more user, okay, user add any other name,
Nidal.
okay, Nidal, okay, Nidal user, okay, Nidal user, one more user. So we already got all the users now. Now let's just see if I type here cat space slash cat etc slash space psswd. What happening here? There was, okay, fine, Sinan user. Also with the Sinan user, we got what? These many users.
Okay.
But the thing is that only Sinan have the password. Nobody have the password here.
Oh.
Getting my point?
Yes.
Sinan
How
only
do we
have
know
the
that?
password. Rest people, we just created the users only for these people. Now we have to do what now? We have to add groups now. Group, we have to add group into the user, right? Users को group में add करना है ना? How are we trying to add those users into a group?
Okay.
User mod command dash capital G, समझ रहे? dash capital G, या फर्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट क्या है अपना? सेल्स है ना? तो
हाँ.
सेल्स अपन क्या करेंगे? सेल्स कर देंगे यहाँ पे. if I will just putting what exactly? We are just putting the first user is what? Akheb, right? Our first user.
हाँ.
We are putting that sales to the Akheb now here. Okay. Now again user mod. I am putting here user mod. Next department is what we are having? HR department, right? I am giving
Yes.
that to dash capital G privileges to what here? HR department to, for example, like Atif, for example. Okay. Atif is our second user, right? I am giving it like this. So HR does not exist. Okay, capital H लिखे ना अपन. I think we have
हाँ.
given the small HR, right?
Small H.
We didn't
Small
give
H.
the capital HR. That's why the small HR we gave, right? That is why it
Yes.
is taken. Okay, because last time we gave in the small and now we are taking capital. Okay, so now because if there is no user, if there is no nothing, see here, if there is no department, if there is no group exists, it will not come. Okay,
Yeah.
now user mod. One second. Mhm. User what happened? User mod capital G. Okay. Now what is the third department? Developer, right? DEV, developer. Developer.
Yeah.
Developer. Okay. Develop. One second. Okay. Space. Now what third one is what? Aman, right? AMN Aman. I am putting like this here. Okay. Dash G, this one. Okay. This we got user mod. Again we are getting what? User mod dash capital G. Getting my point?
Hmm.
Fourth one is what of after that one? Admin, right? We gave
Admin or yeah, admin.
admin. Fifth one Talal. I am putting like this.
Hmm.
Okay, I am
Okay.
putting Talal like this here. Okay, user mod dash capital G. Last department what we gave? Finance department, right?
Fine.
Finance. Okay, finance. DPT, I think, right?
Yeah. DPT. Yeah.
Nidal. Okay, Nidal. I'm giving. Okay, all departments, everything got created. We have to check. We
Okay.
have to do what? We have to check, right? Whether this got created or not.
Yeah.
So cat space slash etc slash group group. So what happened here? Sales got to Akhib.
Okay.
HR got to Atif. Developer got to Aman. Admin got to Talal. Finance department got to what here?
Nidal.
Finance. Now, group modify. I am telling no. I want to put Nidal into a Linux department.
Okay.
Okay, group group mod dash n. Getting my point?
Hmm.
Linux admin. Okay. What was our old department that was previously? Previously, Nidal was into a finance
Finance
department,
department.
right?
Hmm.
Finance. DPT. Okay. Now, what command I type? Cat slash et slash group, right? Cat space slash etc. One second. etc slash group group. One second. etc slash group group. Getting a point? One second, there is a mistake here. Cat space slash. Okay, etc slash group group. Okay, so now Nidal become Linux admin.
Yes.
So we have created the group. We saw how are we assigning the users into a group. We see how we try to do that group. We can delete the group also.
Okay.
Group delete. Group delete. Whatever the group I delete, I simply, if I am typing, I am under the root option. group group. Now, last time you saw, right? Directory we created, file we created. Inside directory we are having file. File we are deleting, directory we can delete.
Okay.
Okay, directory is not deleting directly.
First we have to delete file, then directory.
Similarly, can I delete group directly with user inside the group?
No.
No.
Let's see the example and then we will see that one can we able to delete or not. Okay, group del. What was our group name? Linux admin. Group deleted. That is the difference. Now you see, if I cat space slash etc space slash group, Nidal becomes separate. Nidal doesn't have any group.
Okay.
That is the interview question.
Okay.
Yes, we can delete. No problem. Yes, we can delete a group if there is a user inside, but we cannot able to delete any file if there is a file inside a directory. First, we have to remove the file, then only we can able to get the directory.
Okay.
Okay, this is this is the thing. Okay, so actually I have like a boot camp here today from like 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Okay, so we'll take up your class tomorrow. Okay. So I want you to complete it practically and show me the practical notes on the group till the group management. So far we have discussed these topics, right? User management, group management, and like I think 4 chapters completed now so far. Number first is files and directories, permissions, user management, group management. Tomorrow we'll see about the run levels, different run levels. Any questions now?
No.
Sinan, any questions?
No.
I shared that one. Okay, I shared that like a workstation. Did you receive that workstation?
Yes, got it.
Install the complete and show me the practical. Okay, like how the Nidal is showing me here. He did already 4 chapters completed practical, hands-on. Okay, I want all the screenshot to be completed. Okay. Because like you will be also okay fine, you did a practical and I will also know that yes you did practical, right? So I want everything to be practical. First chapter, what command we use, how we are, take up a screenshot, Control Alt pin screen, take up a screenshot and share me that. Okay.
Sorry. How to take a screenshot?
Control Alt pin screen.
Pin screen.
Print
What's
screen.
that?
Print screen.
Okay.
Okay, and share me that one. Okay. First 4 chapters needs to be complete because tomorrow I'm going to start the run levels. There are 12 chapters are there. Okay. So far we are under the chapter number 4, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th are very, very important chapters. I want daily work. Okay. Don't make it pending work. Okay. Pending work will make it more difficult to do all the practicals. Okay. Daily, whatever I show today, do it today itself. Don't make it pending. Okay. So this is about today's class. Now we'll continue again tomorrow with a new topic called run levels. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay, fine. This is about today's class. Now we'll continue again tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.